Welcome back. The topic of this interactive video lesson is on how to complete whiteboard assignments. Students have two options for completing whiteboard assignments. First, on your computer, use the interactive whiteboard tools to show your work. Second, on your phone. On any mobile device, you can take a photo of your handwritten work and attach it to your whiteboard assignment. The whiteboard assignment will be located in your Assignments tile. Under Workbook Assignments, click Open. Your assignment will open on the MHS whiteboard. You can use any of the interactive tools to show your work. For example, the Geometry tool lets you draw a circle around the answer. If you need to add an explanation, use the Text tool. You can work out a solution on paper and take a photo of it with your phone. Then you can upload it to your computer and use the Picture tool to insert it. There is even an equation editor tool where you can type out math solutions. If you need to add more whiteboard sheets for more space, click the plus button. Use the page drop-down to navigate to other pages of the assignment. You can download and print the assignment if you want to do your work by hand. When you are finished, you click Submit, which lets your teacher know it's ready to review. On a phone, you can take a photo of your handwritten work and attach it to your assignment. Log into the MHS Student app. Click on the document under Workbook Assignments. Click on Download Assignment. Your phone will open the PDF in a new window. When you return to the MHS app, click on the Home button. Then click on the assignment under Workbook Assignments. Click to download the PDF or to show your work. Select what page of the document to add a photo to. Click Take Photo. This opens the camera on your phone. Take a photo of your work and click Use Photo. Choose to rotate or delete if necessary. Click Upload. Click Select another page to add more photos, or click Submit the assignment if you are done. If you choose to submit, you will receive this warning message. If you are sure you're done, click Submit, then click Close to exit the assignment. Once you submit, you will no longer be able to access the assignment. Those are your two options for completing whiteboard assignments, and that's all there is to it. We hope you appreciate the ability to submit your work this way. And please let us know what you think. Your feedback is what makes MHS better. That's all for now. See you next time.